In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with GitHub. By the end, you'll have your development work and project management in sync, so commits and pull requests can be surfaced right inside your tasks, saving you time and context switching. Start in your ClickUp workspace on the page where you manage tasks. Look toward the top of the interface for the More menu, often represented by 3 dots. Click that to open the extended options. This is where ClickUp groups settings and add-ons that aren't shown by default. So if you don't see something on the main toolbar, it's usually tucked away here. From this menu, choose Apps. The Apps section is ClickUp's hub for integrations and extensions. It centralizes everything you can connect to your workspace, making it easy to enable and manage tools without leaving ClickUp. When the apps page opens, you'll notice tiles for various services and a short description under each one to explain what it connects and why you might use it. Find the GitHub tile and click it. This takes you to the GitHub integration page within ClickUp. Here, you'll see a brief overview of what the integration does, typically syncing pull requests, branches, and commits to tasks, and letting you preview development activity without jumping between tabs. It's a good moment to confirm you're connecting the right tool for your workflow. Next, click Connect. This begins the authorization process that securely links ClickUp to your GitHub account. Depending on your setup, a new window may appear, asking you to sign in to GitHub and approve the requested permissions. Follow the on-screen prompts. These permissions are what allow ClickUp to read repository activity and display it alongside your tasks. If your browser blocks pop-ups, briefly allow them so the authorization window can appear. And if you manage repositories under an organization, make sure you're using an account with the necessary access. Once you confirm, the connection finalizes and returns you to ClickUp with the integration active. If the connect button doesn't work or appears disabled, double check that you're in the correct workspace and that you have permission to manage integrations. A quick page refresh can also help the apps page reflect your latest access. That's it. With GitHub connected, your task view can surface development signals like pull requests and commits, giving your team clear visibility and tighter feedback loops. You've brought your code and tasks closer together, which makes planning, reviews, and status updates far more efficient. Thanks for watching and enjoy your streamlined workflow.